Today I'm hard pruning back some knockout roses I had and reclaiming a beautiful rose bed I once had that has grown over. So let's get to work. Oh, hey guys, this is Eric with Garden Down South, and today I'm considering taking on a major little cleanup project that I'm not looking forward to at all. It's a overgrown quote unquote flower bed here. Some knockout roses that I've got planted along the edge of my property here, and they're grown up so bad. You can see there, they got weeds all in them. They're like 6 foot tall. Haven't done anything with them in years, but I'm fixing to clean this up and chop them back and get them ready for spring. Got a lot of work to do, so hang out and let's get to work. As you can see, this looks terrible. I mean, you can see flowers in it, you know, during blooming season, but they're overgrown. They need shaping up, and it's full of old dead marigolds, briars, you name it. It's just awful. I think there are about 3 or 4 big rose bushes in there, and I'm just gonna basically take a shovel to it, whack a bunch of this dead stuff down, and then go to cutting with some shears and a machete. It's whatever it takes. And it's nice weather out here today, cool enough you can get in here and do a bunch of hard work without dying. So I'm about to get started. So what I wish I was doing, just laying in the sun, enjoying it. Hello, Jeremy. You gonna help me today? Stay right under my feet. Make sure I stay busy. All right. All right, Jeremy, you better look out. I know I'm gonna be shedding some layers here in a minute. I got a couple jackets on because it's like 30 degrees out here, but I'll be up quick doing this. First thing I'm gonna do is just whack some of these briars and stuff out with the shovel. Yep, it's time to come out of this jacket. All right. These gloves. Getting this stuff out of the way without getting briars all in the hands. Okay. All right, I have done everything I'm due with this today. Take a much needed break. And all these rose bushes are cut back, ready for spring, and I may wait to release this when they're budding out here in a month or two. But here's the giant pile I got. Yeah, I'm out of breath, I'm out of shape, but this looks a lot better. And yeah, I still have those privet in the background, but they'll green out in the summer, and these rose bushes will bloom out, and I'll clean up those little bushes right through there. But I got a lot done today, and definitely looks a lot better, and these things will bloom out come spring, and I'll have my rose bushes back, which I have neglected for many red moons. All right, it's been 2 weeks or so, and these roses are starting to grow out now. I really need to get these weeds out from under them, but I haven't. I was just going to show you how they do come back. They're going to be nice and full, and now they have all these weeds cleared away from them, and over the top of them get a bunch of blooms. They'll look nice again. Yeah, they're filling out really good, and they'll turn green later on. This is when they first come out. This is what they look like, and this one actually has a group of buds on it already. Let's see there. There, now you can see them. There's a shadow on it. But yeah, they're all set to be looking good come the next month or so. All right, here we are, skip a few months later, in second week of April, and I'm trying to keep these weeds down, but the roses have snapped back really good. They got a lot of blooms on them and a lot more to come. I don't know if you can see them in this video, but they're just loaded with blooms. Try to keep my shadow out of this. Yeah, they've grown back real pretty. That one's gonna be loaded. I'm doing a little more cleaning down that way. But yeah, they filled out real good after cutting them back, and all the work was well worth it. This little guy over here is doing okay as well, but I'll probably dig him up and move him. Alright, here's the old knockouts come back. There's some potted up tomatoes I got, but just wanted to show you how good these things are doing now. We're well into the middle of April, and these things have just went crazy. That's why they are aptly called knockout roses, because they knock you out with how pretty they are. I really don't know if that's why they call them that, but I mean, look at these things. They're so pretty and just loaded. There's even more. See all the buds that are gonna come out. They just have taken very well to that pruning. Gave them a little bit of fertilizer, and they are just killing it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about your knockout roses. And don't hesitate to prune them back if they get kind of unruly, or if you ever want to take back a flower bed you once had that's been overgrown. So we'll see you next time, and happy gardening.